Okay, let me share the screen. Yeah, today I'll show you how to create reports in trial balance. Okay, you can go by path or you can go by transaction code. To see the reports in trial balance, you use the transaction code 2310. It will be /n s underscore ALR underscore 87012310. Once you enter the screen, you have to give the company code. The company code here you're using is 3501. Okay. And then fiscal year, okay, 2025. It is saying result may be distorted. Okay. So let us take the closed 2024. And then you execute. Just a second. Pattern. Well, let us take the chart of accounts 3501. Once you give the T1 execute and open items key date, this date should be removed and then you execute. Okay, enter key date. We will take the key date as 31.03.2025 and then we execute. So now you can see the trial balance of all the GL accounts and the balances. Okay, let us see the trial balance. Okay, now the next one is how to check the how to check, we'll go for vendor list, how to check the vendor list. So you can use this transaction code. Remember this S underscore ALR 8701 is common. And then you take 2086, enter. Once you enter, it will ask for the vendor account. You can give only company code for the at the moment. And you can select the address here and then you can execute. Once you execute it, you will see the list of vendors. You can see the vendor list now. Go down, you can see one vendor is there's okay, Godrej India Limited is one vendor. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the other vendors also. SR Communication, another vendor. And if you scroll down, keep scrolling, Samsung India, another vendor. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see the list of vendors. This is how we see the reports on vendor list. Now, if you want to see the outstanding for list of vendors, then you have to use the transaction codes 87012083. Okay, and you enter. You have to give the company code 3501. Once you give the company code and you have to execute, now you can see the list of outstandings. Let us go down to the move to the right side. So let us check the vendor first. The vendor is one. Okay, the Godrej India. You can see the posting date, document number, document date, everything will show. If you move to the right side, scroll down further, you will be able to see the vendor amount. Okay. If you want to see the vendor ledger, if you want to check with the vendor ledger, you have to use the transaction code 2310. Okay. And then enter first. And then here you have to give the company code, which is mandatory. Okay. And then you can execute. Okay, no problem. No, this is coming the trial balance. We're not interested in trial balance, it's already seen. This will be 2103, this one. Now let us execute. Okay, now the vendor, all items, okay, all items you have to check and you have to give the company code. If you want to see any individual vendor, you have to select that vendor. Otherwise, if you want to see the whole lot of vendors, whole list of vendors of this company code, execute it and you'll able to see. Okay. The first vendor here is Godrej India. If you scroll down, you'll able to see the vendor ledger. Then we have another one, BG distributor. You can see the vendor ledger. Okay, that's all from now. Thank you for viewing this video.